Amazon Incorporation is an American multinational technology company growing rapidly in a broad range of businesses, focusing on e-commerce, cloud computing, online advertising, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It also sells products such as Alexa personal assistant and ecosystem, Kindle e-reader, Fire TV, and movies and television shows through its Amazon Prime Video platform. It is one of the big 5 American information technology companies, alongside with Alphabet, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft, which I will further talk about when it comes. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos from his garage in Bellevue, Washington on 5th July 1994. He invested his own money into the venture along with $25,000 investment from his parents. Initially an online marketplace for the books, it has expanded into a multitude of product categories, a strategy that has earned its moniker as the Everything Store. Amazon has earned a reputation as a disruptor of well-established industries through technological innovation and aggressive reinvestment of profits into capital expenditures. As of 2021, it is the world's largest online retailer and marketplace. Smart speaker provider, cloud computing service through Amazon Web Services (AWS), live streaming services through Twitch, and internet company as measured by revenue and market share. Amazon went public on 15 May 1997, and the IPO price was $18. Amazon makes money through its retail subscriptions and web services, among other channels. Retail remains as Amazon's primary source of revenue, with online and physical stores together accounting for the biggest share. AWS currently generates all of Amazon's operation profits and is growing at a robust pace. This detail will be shown at the later part of this video. As of 2018, Amazon is ranked 8th on the Fortune 500 rankings of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. Amazon reported earnings of $33 billion with annual revenue of $469 billion. And since 2007, sales increased from $14 billion to $469 billion due to continued business expansion. Amazon's market cap went over $1 trillion again in early February 2020 after the announcement of the fourth quarter 2019 results. And by 2021 itself, it surpassed Walmart as the world's largest retailer outside of China, driven in large part by its paid subscription plan, Amazon Prime, which has over 200 million subscriptions around the world. It is the second largest private employer in the United States, and as of November 24, 2022, Amazon's net worth is now $952 billion. Amazon began selling music and videos back in 1998 and began international operations by acquiring online sellers of books in the United Kingdom and Germany. On 2nd February 2021, Amazon announced that Jeff Bezos would step down as CEO to become executive chair of Amazon's board in Q3 of 2021. Andy Jassy, previously the CEO of AWS, becomes the Amazon CEO. There are many criticisms faced by Amazon. However, the most concerning of all, Amazon is allegedly employing suppliers in China with links to forced labor, according to a report from Tech Transparency Project on 7 March 2022. And this is not the first time Amazon knows. About 2 years before Tech Transparency reports, Amazon made a response on 2nd October 2020 to Australian Strategic Policy Institute's report on forced labor of ethnic minorities from Xinjiang. Amazon is actively investigating the supply chain and has not identified direct sourcing links with any of those entities. The Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act was signed into law by President Biden on 23rd December 2021. In layman terms, essentially it means goods produced wholly or in part of Xinjiang province are not entitled to entry to the United States by default, unless it is proven that the goods were not produced through forced labor. This may nudge Amazon to respond. Nonetheless, Amazon does have significant impact on the society. Combining Amazon's investments in infrastructure and compensation to their employees, they have invested more than $530 billion in the US since 2010. Amazon also hired 1.5 million employees as of September 2022. There are criticisms about poor treatment to its employees. Good for Jeff, he changes the starting wage to $50 in 2018. Amazon has started laying off its employees since November 2022. It has been confirmed that white collars will be affected the most, according to Wall Street Journal reports on 1st December 2022. Amazon Incorporation is cutting roughly 3% of its staff, or as many as 10,000 workers in its retail, devices, human resources, and other divisions. But it is leaving largely untouched its hundreds of thousands of warehouse workers. Not to mention, Amazon also created jobs for these guys, making their life in labor camp more fulfilling and bearable. As of third quarter 2022, operating expenses are higher than net sales for both North America and international market. AWS services remain profitable. It does seem like the income from AWS services can carry the other two markets, but in reality, $3 billion net income loss has been incurred in third quarter 2022, a significant difference from third quarter 2021, which profits $19 billion. Online stores remain as a key revenue driver. However, you can see high growth in other types of revenue, which includes sales related to various other offerings, such as certain licensing and distribution of video content and shipping services, and co-branded credit card. Today we have special guest again, Maxima, the quant firm CEO. So he himself has actually developed his own system to help manage up to 30 million portfolio. So today we will have Max to comment on Amazon. Like, what's the trend right now? Like, should you invest in right now?
Okay. The long-term prospect of Amazon, it basically is going up, and of course for the past 1 year is coming down. If you were to invest every 1,000 of yours in since Amazon started in 1997, okay, 1997, guess how much it will worth today? Okay, every 1,000 of yours will worth more than $1 million. Okay, more than $1,044,000. So of course, for the past 1 year, many companies, technology, especially in technological sector, is coming down, and including Amazon. Okay, the stock price is coming down for the past 12 months. By using today's technology, not only you can invest in one lump sum, okay, you can also regular invest, monthly, yearly, monthly, weekly, or even daily. Okay, in Amazon, even when it's coming down, you can capture the opportunity.
So I guess moral story of this video is that when you see a kid of your neighbors or whoever, right, if they are working really hard in the garage and they say they want to change the whole world, please, perhaps you can invest in them $1,000 that day. Then who knows, in the future they might be millionaires, right?
It might also worth nothing.
Yeah, but 1,000 is a great investment if you can achieve 1 million, or you just lose that 1,000.
Okay, basically you can diversify. Diversification is one way to reduce your risk. Of course, investment always you need to use your spare cash, the cash that you don't need for emergency or living expenses. Holding power is very important in long-term investments. Your long-term success as an investor, holding power.
So invest your spare cash, invest comfortably, and of course, always diversify, like what Max said. This comes to Maxima Value, is able to help you to diversify your portfolio in different assets or even different brokerages through technology. So if you are interested in it, so you can click the link down below to schedule a one-to-one consultation call with Maxima Value consultants, where they can help you to tailor your own investment plan rather than you just follow along with others. When it comes to investment, Maxima Value believes that it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of solutions. It's your money, your way to invest. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, like and comment down below whether what do you think about Amazon. And our next video will be talking about Apple, which face a lot of interesting stories lately. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video.